MicroStrategy 7 magnificent stock. AI 500 billion investment today to have these huge data centers and have these huge PCs, so specialists that cost millions and billions, and the electricity to power this. Where in the USA, where are we going to build these data centers that the electricity is zero cost? How long it takes to decide how to invest these 500 billion? Artificial intelligence? What? Should we laugh at this, or should we simply say, what if this MicroStrategy stock 7, the 7 magnificent stocks of the universe, suddenly get 80% of the profits of the 500 top companies? Then they invest 500 billion towards AI. Yes, that's a very intelligent decision powered by AI. Indeed. What if this, let's say 500, perhaps is too much for them? Whoa. Let's say 7 billion each. 7 billion times 7, that's 49 billion. We got this, okay? Magnificent 7 did calculate this. 49 billion towards stock of MicroStrategy, which is NAV 0.9, 0.8, which is huge competitive advantage. The lowest stock valued today with the biggest potential. Even these indexes, they don't want to know. No. Nothing to know about Bitcoin. Why? Because they are from the old print money, PM, print money, PM, Prime Minister, print money. They come from that Stone Age planet, and they don't want to accept these new companies like MicroStrategy as an investor. This is not a recommendation for you to invest, and if you do it at your own risk, then this is the disclaimer information. But for you top 7 magnificents, think a little bit. Yeah, you can use AI, perhaps, but first you need to build these huge computer sites and then increase the electricity of those people that live there, so they will die of freezing cold and will not be able to pay the television or the Wi-Fi. And so then, what if this 49 billion went to MicroStrategy stock, would buy 49 billion of Bitcoin, and then perhaps your 49 would be profits of another 49. Yeah, you see, just 1 million and 1 million equals 2 million, 49 billion and equals 49 billion profits. Then your NAV would really grow times profits. You see, 24 profits you have the value of your company. Then if you cannot use MicroStrategies, why don't you use yours? Wow, isn't that artificial intelligence really rational expectations the biggest idea of investment? Oh yeah, please don't do that. Just let the other planet companies do it and buy today MicroStrategy stock, because it's the best and the safest bet. And if we all do this throughout this planet, these companies that we are going to survive and work in a holiday like today in Spain, those companies that we are going to survive and expand, we are going to do so, and then perhaps our profits will double, triple, or even 7 times. Thank you. Bye.